Welcome back. Today we are going to learn something different. We are going to learn numbers, and specifically we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 30. Then from there you can continue to 100 and to whichever number you want to learn, so that if someone should ask you of your age, you can quickly mention that in Ghana. Make a say like, if you are echo, Kemba, Menagbine, Nicase more. About Case no ko ehe, Niji boy. Only a friend Kamoko Bibo, or a fee, allo, but no year, no your chayagami, or hamo. About Case Kaja echo me, Hayashi, no mate. About Case no mate, no more. So let us start with our numbers. Let us see how we can pronounce the numbers from 1 to 30 and beyond. Make us say like, how are you no? What can say beni wabacha na kai boy ne? Kaje ekome, ayashi yi boy. Nyome te, nyome dwe, nyome numo. Ekome 1. Ekome 1. Enyo 2. Enyo 2. Ete 3. Ete 3. Edge 4. Edge 4. Enumo 5. Enumo 5. Ekpa 6. Ekpa 6. Pawo 7. Pawo 7. Panyo 8. Panyo 8. Iyo yake okemi kasene ke you boy ne kenche ochoka yiyo me say. I hope you are also learning these numbers with me in Ghana and pronouncing them after me in order for you to be able to memorize and know them better. Nehu 9. Nehu 9. Nyongma 10. Nyongma 10. Now there's a trick here. 10 is Nyongma. So we are moving on to 11. And the 11, you have to add the Nyongma, which is the 10, to 1, making it 11. So that is Nyongma ke ekome. So in Ghana, this is how the numbers go. Nyongma is 10, and ke means and. Ekome 1. So Nyongma ke ekome 11. Nyongma ke ekome 11. Nyongma ke enyo 12. We know we have already learned that enyo is 2. So if you are writing 12, Nyongma ke enyo 12. Nyongma ke ete 13. Nyongma ke ete 13. Don't forget that if I say Nyongma ke ete, that doesn't mean you are going to write 10 and add 3 to it. No, you just write the 1 which represents the Nyongma and add your 3. I hope you get it. Okay, let's move on. Nyongma ke edre 14. Nyongma ke edre 14. Nyongma ke enumo 15. Nyongma ke enumo 15. Enumo 15. Okay. Ewo obacha no ni wo ya wo here. Ke Nyongma ke ewo ko ko ka je Nyongma ke enumo ngba ba ya. Ajenyuma ke enumo ingba ya enumo aje enumo aya ekpa aya pa o ewo nyoma ke enumo. Nyoma ke enumo is 15. So if you want 16, we all know that ekpa is 6 and nyoma is 10. So 16 will be nyoma ke ekpa. Nyoma ke ekpa. 17 nyoma ke pao. Nyoma ke pao because 7 is pao. Nyongenyo. We've moved from the nyoma ke ekome enyo to nyongenyo, which is 20. So right now, someone should ask you of your age, and assuming you are 18 years, I ask you, afi enye oye, which means how old are you? Afi enye oye. Miye afi nyoma kepanyo. Nyoma kepanyo. I am 18 years old. I am 18 years old. Nyoma, which is 20. And we've learned that nyoma ke ekome is 11. Nyoma is 10. So in this case, we are going to learn from 20 to 25 and beyond, so that you can practice the rest on your own. Nyongenyo 20. Nyongenyo ke ekome 21. Nyongenyo ke ekome. So nyongenyo is 20 ke and 1. So 21 is nyongenyo ke ekome. Nyongenyo ke enyo 22. Nyongmai enyo ke enyo 22. Nyongmai enyo ke eten 23. Nyongmai enyo ke eten 23. Nyongmai enyo ke eje 24. Nyongmai enyo ke eje 24. Nyongmai enyo ke enumo 25. Nyongmai enyo ke enumo 25. So let us practice more of these numbers at home in Ghana. We ended at nyongmai enyo ke enumo, which is 25. What will be 26, 27, 28, 29 in Ghana? Put them in the comment section so that I'll check and see whether you are doing well and learning with me as we move to nyongmai ete. Nyongmai ete, which is 30. Nyongmai ete 30. So now that you know what 30 is in Ghana, which is nyongmai ete, try and practice 31, 32, 33, 34 and beyond. When you get to 39, you go to 40, which is nyongmai eje. So for instance, let me help you with 33. 33. Nyongmai ete ke ete 33. Nyongmai ete ke ete 33. Nyongmai ete ke enumo 35. Nyongmai ete ke enumo 35. We move on to 40, which is nyongmai eje. Nyongmai eje ke kome. Nyongmai eje ke enyo. Nyongmai eje ke 10. Nyongmai eje ke enumo. Then we go on and on. Try and practice all this in Ghana. Nyongmai enumo 50. So when someone asks you, how old are you? And you are 50 years, you tell the person, Miye nyongmai enumo, which is 50. Miye afi nyongmai enumo, I am 50 years old. Miye afi nyongmai je, I am 40 years old. Miye afi nyongmai enumo, ke ekome, I am 51 years old. So let's practice these numbers in Ghana so that it will help you. Mahe amo ekome, mahe sabolai enyo, mahe akutu onumo. So it will be easier for you to communicate with people around you. Let's move on with the tens and the hundreds. Oha is 100. Oha is 100. Akpe is 1,000. Akpe is 1,000. Million is million in English. It sounds the same, but the spellings are different. Million, million in English. Viewers, put in all the numbers and your ages in the comment section. How old are you? Afi enye oye. Or how old is your mom? Afi enye o mami eye. Afi enye o papa eye. Put those ones in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated when I put a Ghana lesson on this channel. Make a say loy. When I walk a say ni babao, ni hiyo yake. Oba nyengmele noni. Kwani beke befe. Hemi keni kase mo phone. Meke kwa ane no. Oba kaibu.